Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Got a 2021 Mazda CX-9 and we've got a service past due and oil change due warning message on the dash. I'm going to show you how easy it is to reset that once you've completed an oil change. So over here is our main screen and that's what we're going to be looking at. All of the controls are going to be down here and all we need to do first is just press the home button, and the home button brings up this screen right here. Scroll up to information, and the way you do that is just by turning this knob and then you press to confirm your selection. So here we're going to press information and then we're going to go down to vehicle status monitor and press that, and then go down to vehicle maintenance settings, select that, scroll down to the very bottom where it says reset service interval, and it's asking, do you want to reset the service interval, driving distance and date? And we do, so go ahead and select reset and press that and you're done. Take a look over here, warning light is gone. Hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.